President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, MPCC Kaisham Meghachandra, led a team including officials of Water Resources Department and oversaw the current condition of Thawal Dam. Speaking to the media, he noted that flooding in valley areas are not inherently a natural disaster but are caused by negligence of Water Resources Department. All 4 gates of Thawal Dam were opened concurrently on September 14, causing devastating flood in paddy fields, farms, roads and houses in Imphal East, West and Thawal districts. The same volume of water drained in Imphal River, causing widespread flooding in Wangoi, Wabagai and Imphal East West areas. He noted that though floodgates were opened to drain but overflowing rivers, adequate procedures must have taken up in downstream areas to prevent such calamity. He called on the attention of Governor and Water Resources Commissioner regarding preparedness during occurrence of natural disaster. He further said that there are guidelines for opening floodgates in Central Water Commission and must be coordinated between district administration and engineers. When asked about relief materials and funds related to flood assistance, he remarked that there are no transparency regarding the same.
Thawal Dam, Mapitel Dam si Haukiva Tang Tramari, Lady Gate Marisi, Pulaf Tado Ame, Moina report ore. Masigi, date 14 the Tadokiva, Sidegi, Akoigi, downstream the Makha the Lady village meam, Havidi Thawal district, Amasung Imphal West, Amasung East, Haidiba Jagasingsi, Sidegi Tadoriva, Ishingsina one time. Amukta the Isingsi Pulap Black Hibasina, Han Ising Chauraga, Laiba, Sidegi, Akoigi, Get Marisi, full of one time, Tadoro Pasidesida, Masidani, Akoi Punna, Thawal district, Akoi Tume, Gomengi, Lady Department, Ziki, a Swipeni, Ikona Masi one time the disaster Isingsi Tadopayati, Tadoko Taragasu precautionary measures. Mama Han logo the bani at the Hojiki Miam Karikali, no to be sing or winning than a Kaimta ready with Hotre. Then at the Degi Pung Amada, Pung Anida, Dark Clown Yum Tungre, at the Gi then Ojiki Anambana river bank man in Chikai in a table. Put any whom put a humari, Amuk the Toki river. So he couldn't contrast the Amuk the Tok river. I could overflows. Must be volumes one time the Tadro of Nina. Masi dam regulate Todaba, control Todaba. Are the official maintenance for the Todaba? Are the Sakargi, I could get Chokuri, Paiba Mayam, Singina, Opis the Pamagan Labini. Mangriba, lakhs of people properties, life, then Tonganba, Equigi, Yum Kaimiam, Sinsigi, proper compensation ama, Masi Pida Basu, Yayaron.